Hit those switches. Woohoo! That's what's up. How long you've had that?
30 years.
30 years,
30
and then
years.
tell me about it real quick.
52 Ford Chevy Nova frame.
Nah, it's not.
We call it La Bombera, the fire truck.
The fire
I have
truck.
it for 30 years.
30 years, the fire truck.
From Juarez, Mexico.
Juarez, Mexico.
Juarito.
Beautiful, beautiful, brother.
Thank you, man.
Is there a way that, are you on social media?
Huh?
Are you on social media?
Social media, I don't know what that mean.
That's what's up. All mechanical.
Yeah.
Viva la raza!
Viva la raza, viva México.
Woo!